Oh, we're back. Today we're eating some cabbage. I gave him a half a couple days ago. It was a small one. All the snow and ice have been melting. We've had 50 degrees every day. Rain yesterday. I let him out for a little while last night. The white one, the mean one, she goes off by herself. One of the, what are they called? Well, the brown one goes off by herself. Rhode Island red. The white one is a Americana. That one right there next to the Rhode Island red, she's an Americana. Bev is Americana. I'm missing one. There's another one over there with the other one that's white. Is like Bev and her colors, and they're Americanas. They lay the greenish blue eggs, and the brown ones lay brown eggs. Not because they're brown, but the Rhode Island reds. And the rooster doesn't lay eggs, of course. They haven't laid any yet. I'm not really interested in the cabbage as much as they normally are. Today I have this concoction. It's elbow noodles and brown rice with cayenne pepper in it and chunks of leftover meats that I've had all week. Not a lot. Enough to give it some taste in the crock pot. I like them to get out to get into the weeds and look for stones and some grass that's still there, or onion grass. Well, they're uninterested in it right now. It's understandable. But I bet if I put out some of the... that one's dirty. Who's hungry? They like the goulash. Chickies. Chickies. And then I'll give them some whole corn before I go in. Chickies. Who's hungry? Come on down, get something to eat. Didn't have any beans last week in the store I go to, or grit, or any oatmeal. I put the cayenne pepper in the mixture because they say that helps them to produce eggs. Plus keep them warmer. You can't put it in every meal though. Makes them thirsty. And I don't put like an excessive amount.